Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see string methods in Python. There are several string methods that are available in Python. In this video, we are going to see some important methods that we usually use it in real-time projects. So the first method is len. Len method is used to find the length of a string. So if I enter a string and then if I wanted to know the length of it, then I can make use of len method. Let's take this example. I'm asking for an input, enter a string, and then I'm storing the value in strinfo variable. And then I'm printing length of plus the string value, whatever was entered, plus space is comma len of string. So it will display, if I enter test, then it will display length of test is 4. So let me save this code. I'm using Python 3. So it is asking me to enter a string. I'm entering testing. So length of testing is 7. So using len method, we can find out the length of a string. Next, we are going to talk about slicing string. In Java and or JavaScript or any other programming, there are substring method, slice method, and str method. Sorry, sub-str method. So all these methods are used to get a particular string from the entire string. So if you wanted to extract any pattern, then we can make use of uh, those slicing method. The same can be done in Python, but the way is slightly different. So let's see how to do that using this sample code. So similar to previous example, I'm asking to enter a string and then it is stored in strinfo. I'm asking to enter start index and as well as end index, and then I'm storing those information in str_start and str_end. I'm declaring two variables, int start and int end, to convert start and end that was entered by the user. I'm using this int method to convert it because the return type of your input method is always string. It won't automatically convert based on the value that was entered. It is always string, so it is our responsibility to convert it into whatever data type we are looking for. And then I'm printing strinfo, and then I have the array brackets. I have start and end. So we have to use the start index and the end index, and in between we have to use the colon um, operator to find out the string between that. So let's see this as an example. So it is same. It will ask me test. So it is asking me to enter a string. So I'm entering as test. I want start index as 1 and end index as 3. So now I got E and S from the test that was entered. So in order to get it, I entered the start index as 1 and the end index as 3, so that it will get the values in between that. So it has printed me test. And okay, let me run the same Python program. And so if I wanted to get first 3, so let's do start index as 0, end index as 4. Sorry, I have to start index as 0, length index as 3. So I will get and. So using array bracket followed by start index followed by colon followed by end index and finally ending it with the array close bracket will help us to slice the string. Next we are going to talk about lower method. Lower method is used to convert the string into lowercase. Let's see this simple example here. I'm asking for an input, storing that in strinfo, and then I'm printing it in lowercase using the lower method. So it will print that in lowercase. That is the usage of lower function or method. Next, the opposite of lower is upper. It is used to convert the string into uppercase. Let's use this example. I'm asking to enter a string in lowercase. It will be stored in strinfo, and using print method I'm displaying it in uppercase using the upper method. So it will display it in uppercase. Next important thing is replace method. Replace method is used to find or search the string so that it can replace it with the string that was mentioned for replacement. So here let's take this example. For strinfo variable I have declared testing space python, and using print statement I am printing the replacement of testing with test. So strinfo variable dot replace of testing comma test. So this is the text that has to be searched and this is the test that has to be replaced. Let's run this. So testing is replaced with the test is test python. So instead of testing python I am displaying it as test python because the search string is testing and the string to replace is test. Okay. Next is else strip. It will remove the white space on the left side of the string or the beginning of the string. Next we have R strip. It is used to remove the white space on the right or on the ending of the string. Strip, it will remove the white spaces in the beginning and as well as in the ending. Next is starts with. The starts with method will return a boolean value whether the string starts with specified string. For example, if you wanted to find whether the string is starting with alphabet A, then you can use the starts with the method and then you can find out whether it is starting with A or not. The return type of starts with the method is boolean. Next is find. The find method is used to return the position of the specified string. Let's take this example. strinfo is a variable and then I have test space and let's have star followed by space and followed by example text. Next, position of star is I am using strinfo dot find method and then I am using the string. So it will find this string whatever we mentioned here and then it will display the position of it. Let's do it. It should be 5 but let's check it out. Yeah, the position of star is 5. So these are all some of the important string methods that we usually use it in a real-time Python projects. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample codes which we were referencing in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.